Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Cash App, a fast and easy way to send, receive and manage money directly from your phone with Cash App, and you can pay friends, pay bills and even invest in stocks or Bitcoin all in one app. Whenever you're into new digital payments or just looking for a simple solution, Cash App makes it secure and convenient. So you need to first download the app. If you're using an Android, you need to open to the Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, you can open the Apple Store, or you can simply go to the Google. Over here on the search bar, type down Cash App and search for it on the bottom right. Over here we could see there's a Cash App. Select the Cash App over here, and when you will get into this interface here on the bottom we could see there's a download Cash App. Simply select the download Cash App and you'll automatically download the Cash App in your iPhone or in your Android. And when you open a Cash App, you'll be asked to enter your phone number or email and you'll receive a verification code to secure your account. And after that you can link your bank account or debit card so you can start sending or receiving money instantly. You'll also get a unique cash tag which works like your personal username for payments. And that is it. You're ready to use your Cash App. And remember to never share your verification code and always download the app from the official sources. Now you can send money to friends, pay bills or even invest all from your phone anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you how to download your Cash App. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down below. If you have any trouble downloading your Cash App, please comment and we will reach out to you.